Welcome back to my YouTube channel, everyone. Today, I'll guide you through the process of fixing the issue where not everyone can message your account on Instagram. To commence, navigate to your device's home screen and proceed to open the settings. Within Settings, locate and tap on General, then scroll down until you find iPhone storage. Upon accessing iPhone storage, locate the Instagram application and select it. Next, choose the option to offload the app, followed by reinstalling it. Completing these steps should effectively resolve any associated bugs. Should the issue persist, open the Instagram app and access your main profile by tapping on your profile icon. Navigate to the menu represented by 3 lines, scroll down and select Messages and Story Replies. Within this section, ensure that your message settings are configured to accept message requests. Scroll through and allow all message requests, ensuring unrestricted communication. Additionally, review and remove any accounts that may be restricted or blocked within the messaging settings. By removing restrictions and unblocking accounts, you facilitate seamless communication with friends and contacts. Upon completing these adjustments, you should now be able to send messages to anyone on Instagram without any hindrances. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you for watching.